Hello viewer, today I would like to introduce you to one of the most commonly used function in Microsoft Excel, the average function. The function is incredibly useful for calculating the mean of a range of numbers, which is essential for analyzing data effectively. Imagine we have a list of students' score from recent test. For instance, here the score. Alice got 85, Bob, Charlie, David, Eva, and lastly Jack got 82. Our goal is to determine the average score of this student. In Excel, we can easily compute this using by average function. To do this, we follow the simple step. First, I will write the average score, which I'm going to from this sheet. Now, as you can see, column A contains a student name and column B containing the respective scores. We have selected the cell D2 to get the average score. You can use any cell in the Excel sheet to get your average score. I just choose D2. You can choose C1, E1, F2, 3, 4, anything you want. Now we enter the formula. Okay, I will write it in here in the formula box so you can see it easily. You can also write in D2 as you wish, but for the good practice, I should say the formula box is good. So first the equal sign and then average. If you write AV, it will show in here as tab. So we get average function. As you can enter the formula, we have to select the cell range, which is starting from B2 to B11. So I will write in here B2 column B11 and then put a bracket again. Press enter, you will get the average score of this student, which is 85.4. Here's the breakdown of the formula. Average is the function we are using. Okay, B2 B11 specifies the range of cells that contain the score we want to average. In our example, these are the score from Alice in cell B2 to Jack in cell B1. You can put any number and make average by using this formula. Once we press enter, Excel will calculate the average of the score within the specified range. In this case, the formula average B2 to B11 will compute the average score of our 10 students. If you have another student like Steve and put 89, then you can get the average number in here as well. What you need to do is just you need to increase the cell range, which is B12, and the average score, as you can see, the average score, as you can see, 85.72 73. You can put as many student name as you want, and you can put a score as well just beside them and make average by using this formula. You can put any number as well and make this average. Just in case, I need to tell you one thing. Average function is used to find out the average, but you can use this function for different function as well. Using the average function is quick and efficient way to determine the mean of a set of numbers, helping us to make informed decision based on data. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe.